The mode of action of the bioresonance method is based on biophysical principles. To understand this fully, we must appreciate that matter, in other words, every human body, is made up of millions of particles of condensed energy. Matter has a dual character, both as particle and as energy emitting radiation, which means all matter has its own characteristic wavelength and a characteristic frequency pattern, such as, for example, a bacteria, a toxin, or a foodstuff. The particles of matter in the human organism, the body's cells, also transmit and receive waves with special frequency patterns. The body's cells communicate continuously with each other. As long as the body's cells are unimpeded in how they communicate with one another, the body's capacity for self-regulation remains intact, and we can describe an organism in this state as being healthy. However, when unwelcome substances enter the body, these have the effect of impeding communication between healthy cells. Ultimately, this disturbance in frequency pattern causes cells to malfunction. If this continues for any length of time, physical symptoms may develop. The bioresonance method uses therapeutic frequency patterns to combat harmful frequency patterns. Disturbed frequency patterns are reduced and toxins eliminated until the detrimental frequency patterns are removed completely. The cells are again able to communicate in an unimpeded way. Self-regulation and the body's self-healing powers are restored.